Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the winds have kicked in. At times we're gusting up to 40 miles per hour. The Cape is now gusting to 60. But where's the colder air? It's not that far away. Take a look at the current temperatures, and you can clearly see behind that dark blue line, which is an Arctic cold front, how the temperatures really drop off. This is all of just 50 to 100 miles away. And you can see the temperature, for instance, behind the front in Burlington at only 5 degrees above zero, while it's 37 here. So the wind is in place. It'll only get stronger, and eventually this colder air taking over, and that's when the wind chills become a factor, especially during the overnight and especially through tomorrow morning. So threat tracker, we're keeping it elevated for tonight. We don't have any precipitation on the way, but strong wind gusts, the wind chill advisory. These feel like temperatures of 10 to 20 below. Not realized so much for this evening, but after midnight and towards early tomorrow morning. And the weekend is actually dry, but keeping the alert elevated here for very frigid air, especially on Saturday and especially during the morning. Better part of it is dry. All eyes on a storm for late Sunday night. Now, late Sunday night meaning like around midnight, not 7 o'clock in the evening. And into Monday, especially Monday morning. It's a little bit of snow, but it's mostly a windswept heavy rain and the potential for some damaging wind gusts on the South Shore Monday morning. The outer Cape getting clipped with some rain and snow. The outer fringes of this big storm out over the ocean. Dry elsewhere with clearing skies. When we widen out the view, in fact, let's get a broader picture here. Now, on the satellite, anytime you see this kind of a structure, this comma-shaped looking structure on the satellite, that's a tip-off of a rapidly intensifying ocean storm. But it will stay offshore and move away. So as far as precipitation, we're not getting any, though the Cape is getting clipped a little bit. But the wind circulation around it is so broad that we're getting the strong wind gusts, again 40, 50 miles per hour, and eventually pulling down that very cold air. Once both combine, the cold and the strong wind, that's when the wind chills become a factor. We take this into the future. Storm is wrapping up and pulling away, drawing down frigid air. This is Saturday morning at 8 a.m. It is dry, windy, and cold. High pressure building in Saturday night and especially into Sunday will knock the wind speeds down. This is Sunday afternoon, sun through increasing clouds. And then there's Monday storm developing across the south. Most of Sunday evening is dry. A brief period of wet snow around midnight Sunday, perhaps, a couple of inches north and west of Providence. It switches over to a windswept heavy rain by daybreak on Monday as the storm tracks to our west. That puts milder air in here on Monday morning, but also some very strong wind and some heavy rain, all centered on early Monday morning. In fact, when we take a look at the wind gusts Monday morning at around 5, 6 a.m., we may be gusting up to 60 miles per hour. So I'm more concerned about the wind potential with the Monday storm rather than the precipitation, though we will get some heavy rain. Let's backtrack to this evening and overnight. Clear skies, windy, frigid. These are the actual air temperatures at 7 in the morning, not the wind chill. And the winds are still busy out of the north. Ineffective sunshine. We don't even make it to 20 tomorrow afternoon, and then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, we'll settle back into the single digits, so the wind speeds will come down. It's not nearly as windy on Sunday. But here's the hour-by-hour breakdown. Only 5 above at 7 a.m., 11 o'clock in the morning, 14. The wind chills are below zero all day, but especially during the morning. Ineffective sunshine and frigid during the afternoon. Boaters, you've got a gale warning. No surprise, northwest winds gusting 30 knots. 7-day forecast Sunday, less wind, cold and dry. And Martin Luther King Monday, some snow during the pre-dawn before sunrise with a quick change to some heavy rain and strong wind on Monday morning with a temperature up to around 42. So Mike and Kim, a lot of active weather next several days, but at least we stay dry. The big factors in the short term will be the wind and the cold.
Certainly a time to bundle up and crank that heat if you can. All right, Tony, thanks. For a look now.